Appreciate those words. So, good evening, everyone. So great to have each and every one of you on the call. So it's great to have a lot of new people who are on the call on a Friday night. So we really want to say thank you. I hope you guys are all staying safe, especially if you're from the state of Victoria. We understand that you guys are in lockdown. I hope you all are staying safe in these unprecedented health and financial crisis that's going on right now. And so great, it's my honor to actually share some information with each and everybody and spend next 15 to 20 minutes talking about the vision of the company, who we are, and what we're doing right now. And before I do that, I just want to introduce myself so that we're not strangers. So there are a lot of people who are on the call for the first time. If you're not shy, you can switch on your camera and say good day to other people as well. So don't be shy. And so my name is Rao. I used to work in the pharmaceutical industry. So I had a very successful corporate experience. We used to manufacture, medicines like Panadol and Lipitor and all these. And I've been in the industry for a long time. And I came across this company called ACN, which I'm about to share with each and everyone. And I'm sure that you enjoyed the video over 11 years ago, actually. In 2009, when the GFC had happened, I became a victim of job redundancy. I'm sure some of you can relate, or some of you know few people who have been impacted based on the current health and financial crisis. So at that point of time, I had two choices, guys. The first one is I keep doing what I was doing, meaning just go look for another job in a different company and do nothing about my life, or just go look for another job and also have an additional plan B or a safety net. What I understood is it's always critical to have a backup plan in place, because back then there was no such thing called job security, right? Fast forward 11 years right now, we're going through pandemic. Forget job security, forget security. Let's talk about jobs right now. You can see that 30 years, in the last 30 years, Australia was never been in recession. So officially the unemployment actually gone up. Our GDP, you can see the numbers. We can't control the Australian economy or the world economy based on what's going on. But what we can control is our household economy. Now, here is I am going to share how you can actually improve your household economy by generating additional sources of income from working from home. That's what I'm going to share with each and everybody. But before I start, I just want to say something. I'm not here to sell or convince you. I'm not a sales guy. I'm not going to do anything. What I'm going to do is I'm going to share some information. If it makes sense, we'll actually take a conversation further. Okay. So let me share my screen and then we go straight through the information. Perfect. I'm sure that you guys can see my screen. Can I get a thumbs up? Perfect. Thank you very much. Okay, so the video did an absolutely incredible job explaining who we are as a company, but I'll just touch on some highlights here. As a company, we started a business back in 1993. We've been in the game for more than 27 years. Right? So we've been in 27 countries and 5 continents at the moment. We specialized in customer acquisition. So in terms of our revenue, over 4 billion USD in sales, we got millions of customers around the world. In fact, we are best in what we do. We are the world's largest direct seller of telecommunications and essential service. What the best thing about is, even though we are best in what we do, less than 1% market share in every operating country, we are actually running a business, which means that there is so much opportunity for each and every one of you who is actually on the call tonight. Now let's look into this, what actually we do. Now, these are the services every home and business actually use. Now, for example, if I ask every single one a simple question, you can put your hand up, or you can actually put an icon by answering this simple question, right? How many of you here used a mobile phone today? By show of hands or by pressing the icon? Thank you very much. How many of you actually used electricity, switched on a light, cooked food, had showered today? I'm sure every one of you, right? How many of you are actually using or used the internet and going to use NBN at home, right? So you could be thinking, Rao, why are you asking these stupid, monotonous questions? Let me tell you guys something. Now, these are the services every home and every business have to use, especially in the current times where, we don't have any choice but working from home, utilizing all these services, either running your business or, tutoring your kids, or, schools are online, everything is online. The businesses are online as well. So everything is online right now. So what I can tell you is basically with ACN. So we have a huge opportunity where we can definitely take advantage of the services we offer. So what we do here in Australia, we cater residential customers and also business customers. Residential customers, let's talk about the first service. So we offer phone plans, we offer SIM cards to 3 largest networks here in Australia. So we partnered with Vodafone, needs no introduction, a household name, not just in Australia, but all across the world. So we provide phone plans and SIM plans and tablets and everything through NBN, through Vodafone. Okay, so we get the opportunity to represent Vodafone and offer all these customers to all across Australia. We also partnered with the #1 prepaid company called MASIM, where we provide SIM-only plans, competitive plans through MASIM to all the customers through Optus 4G Plus network. And we also have our very own Australian-owned company called Mate, where we provide SIM-only plans. Okay, now we got Telstra covered, we got Optus network covered, we also have Vodafone covered. Energy, we partnered with a company called Click Energy, one of the iconic companies here in Australia, helping so many customers and consumers for more than 16 years or 15 years in this market, helping them save a lot of money as well. So we provide NBN through Vodafone and Mate. The next 3 services, which you can see here, are phone, which is basically it's for phone systems. These phone systems, we provide to small businesses. Why? Because there is a massive change of technology. We partner with a technology partner called MyNetPhone. Security and automation is basically world's largest security company called ADT. What we do is we help people protect their homes. We help people also have peace of mind. Now, can you imagine having people convert their homes to smart homes, having that peace of mind where they can control even the businesses like CCTV monitoring, they can control and have a peace of mind, and we get paid, okay, which is fantastic. So payment processing through a company called Sphere. So every business right now is going online. So which means that if you have an e-commerce store or you're buying something online or you go to a shopping center, because people are not even taking cash these days, everyone wants you to actually tap on that FPOS card, okay, FPOS machine. So through that, we compete with the big 4 banks here and we provide merchant service processing. So I'm just going to wrap up everything in terms of opportunity. Now imagine getting paid every time someone use a cell phone, we can get paid. Use electricity, we can get paid. Use NBN, we get paid. Protect their homes, we get paid. Someone swipe a credit and a debit card, we get paid. It's a $1.25 trillion industry annually, one of the most lucrative industries. ACN give you and I to be partnering up in this company. And the best thing is we don't be on the paying side, but we can just make some money in this $1 trillion industry. Now let's look into what's our current operating model. In terms of the way we do business is most service providers, they do traditional ways of acquiring customers through digital marketing and media and billboards and bus stops. We don't do that. We as business, we are non-traditional. We directly go to customers through word of mouth, relationship and social networking. Think about it. Your good old accountant, your real estate agent, your mortgage broker, a plumber, or anybody, I'm sure you might have referred someone to your friends and family. So we do exactly the same thing and we acquire customers through this. And the best thing about it is there are 3 winning parties. The first one is the customers. They have an opportunity to get something similar or better. Number 2, the companies like Vodafone, like Mate, like MASIM, they're acquiring customers and without any overheads, etc. Number 3, we as independent business owners, we get paid at the same time as well. Now, how you do this is ACN is our business is 100% online. To run your business from home, the only requirement you need is an Australian business number or ABN. When you have an ABN, you can work from home. In fact, we got some accountants here. They can even help you get an ABN if you don't have one. And the best thing about it is that once you have this, license to run your business from home, and how you do that is you pay one of $275 license fee, and to run your business you pay $22 per month, and that's the only requirement. And once you do that, what happens is for that, this is what you get. You get your personalized website. that's hosted, updated daily. You get the complete business tracking and reporting through your virtual reporting tool called Salesforce, which is supplied by ACN for us. We got online tools, marketing tools, and complete customer support. So when you get started in the business, the company will give you this business. By the way, you can run this as a sole trader. You can run this as a partnership or a company or a family trust, just like any other business entity as per ASIC. Okay, once you get started, this is your business. Now you got your business and you can actually access your website on a desktop or a laptop, tablet, or even on your cell phone. You can actually access your business. Now what do we do in this business? Very, very, very simple. All you have to do is you just acquire customers, refer customers to your online store, and get people do online shopping and help people save money on a bill they're paying anyway. That's what we're doing. What are we doing? We're helping people save money on a bill they're paying anyway. Could be energy bill, cell phone bill, NBN bill, whatever it might be. Okay. Now, because this is a business, I'm sure every single one of you on the call, you want to know how the money works, which is very important, correct? So let me show you how the money works. The first type of income in our business is called personal monthly customer bonuses. Now, what this is when you acquire customers through your online store, company says, great job. And because you're helping all these big utility companies, you get paid. 3 services, $75, 5 services, $150, 8 services, $250, 11 services, $350. Services means not different people. For example, in my own house, I've got electricity, I've got gas, I've got 2 SIM cards, I've got NBN, I've got home phone. I also have home security and a tablet. So typically in my own house, I've got 7 to 8 services. Think about it. You just help one household. Congratulations, you can make $250. If you help people like Rao, 4 of them in a month, that's $1,000 part-time by working 15 to 20 hours in a week. Who would be happy to work from home, don't leave home, but make $1,000 part-time? I'm sure every single one would love that. Okay. In fact, we got so many people who are on the call, they're already earning $1,000 very, very easily by doing some basic things. Now, this is the first type of income. Now, before I go to the second slide, there is no monthly quotas, there is no thresholds, there is no targets. What does that mean? You can get as many customers as you can, or you can get as few customers as you can. It's your own business. The more work you do it, the more success you get. Okay. Now, this is the second type of income. This is my favorite income. It's called personal residual income. I want you guys to understand this because this is very, very, very important. And in fact, one of my favorite incomes too. So residual income means you do work one time, but you get paid over and over and over again for the one-time effort. What we do in our business is quite simple. Say I have helped my friend, say Narinder. Okay, I helped my friend Narinder help save some money on his electricity bill. Okay, so he became a customer one time, and every single month he pay a bill. Guess what? I get paid up to 20% of his monthly commissionable revenue every single month. Now, how many times I have to help my friend Narinder? One time. Why do you think he become my customer? Because I help him save some money. Okay, think about it. You do work. So Rao has done work in September 2020, acquired him as a customer, but Narinder would be paying a bill in October, November, December, next year, June, and the year after. Every single time he pay a bill, guess what? ACN is going to pay me 20% of that commissionable revenue. Now think about it, guys. Who would like to work one time, get paid over and over and again for one-time effort? Now, the good thing is you can acquire customers not just in Australia, but in 27 different countries. Why? Because ACN is operating in 27 different countries. Now, the third type of income is also called working smart. It's also called leverage. This is what most of the corporations actually work on. Instead of, by the way, this is not mandatory, okay? Now, the way the corporations work is, for example, you take Pizza Hut. There are hundreds and thousands of Pizza Huts all across the world. If I own a Pizza Hut, every single pizza I sell, around 15 to 18% of that I have to pay to the corporation in the United States. Say I'm an Uber driver. Every single ride I do, 20 to 30% of the ride I earn, I have to pay to Uber. Now, for example, you got income tax professionals, an accounting firm, they have to pay around 17 to 18% as royalty. Now, this is what all the corporations do. If you want to operate like that, you can do it. Very simple. How do we do that? Is you get started. And if you know somebody who wants to work from home and have their own online store, guess what? They actually earn up to 20%. They also get the upfront because they're running their own business. Because you're the franchisor, you can get 3% of the customers of those online stores. Now, the good thing is you don't meet them, you don't service them, you don't even know how they look like. This is the best form of leverage where you can do. Company also says, because you're actually doing some work, you're building a team, they also pay you some upfront bonuses for every single online store you acquire, from $50 to $300 per online store into your distribution network as well. Now, this is a business blueprint. Now, we don't ask, it's a very simple proven system. People from all walks of lives and backgrounds do part of ACN. Now, the first position is called customer qualified. Next position is executive team leader, regional director, regional vice president, senior vice president. How you move from CQ to SVP? Very simple. The more customers you and your team get or yourself get, you actually progress in the compensation plan. The more customers you have, that means the more bonuses you get. The more customers you have, that means that you more residual income you earn. I want to repeat one thing. We are a customer acquisition company. 100% of the income we earn in our business through customers. You can have a lot of customers on your own, or you can have 3, 4, 5 online stores and get customers. Entirely up to you. The key is it's not number of business partners you have, it's the number of customers you have. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get few people to quickly come on the call. I want them to quickly share, their background and what they've been up to with ACN and how they're actually having success in our business. So the first person I want to get on the call is Mr. Nath Pereira. Nath, you there? You can unmute yourself, Nath.
Hi. Hello, everyone. Can everyone hear me well?
Perfect.
Great. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for the opportunity, Rao. Yes, my name is Nath Pereira. I am from Melbourne. I am attached to hospitality industry, managing one of the largest catering organizations in Melbourne. At the same time, I'm an independent business owner running my own catering business. So as you all know, Melbourne is pretty much lockdown stage. So currently, when ACN showed to me short while ago, it made complete sense, and I got started. At the moment, I am holding the position of executive team leader. Personally, I got more than 120 customers, and collectively as a team, more than 220 customers. And all these, everything is being possible due to this wonderful training and the support provided by these great leaders and this Zoom platform. Thank you very much. Back to you, Rao.
Thank you, Nath. Thank you. That's powerful. Fantastic. Thank you for sharing that. A business owner from the hospitality industry. Okay, let's move on to somebody who's from IT background, Mr. Sumit Kararia. You there, Sumit?
Thanks, Rao sir. Thanks for giving opportunity. Hello, everyone. My name is Sumit Kararia, and I'm from Melbourne. I am from IT industry. I worked in IT industry for 20 years, Monday to Friday, 9 to 5, before I got redundant. And that's where I came to know what I was earning. I was earning a linear income. I stopped working, I won't get paid. And that's where I have an option, whether I keep doing what I was doing for the last 20 years or I look for another plan B. And that's where I came across through this amazing business called ACN. I've been in business just for a short period of time. My current position in ACN is executive team leader, soon to be a regional director. I have 25 business partner with me working as a team, and overall we have over 370 customers in 2 continents. As I said, I am from IT background, not coming from the business family, so forget about talking to people. We used to write an email and sending a message. So I'm the complete product of the amazing training and the support provided by the leaders in ACN, and I'm building my business completely on a Zoom from last 5 months in a pandemic. Back to you, Rao sir. Thank you.
Thank you, Sumit. That's great, fantastic, awesome. So let's move to Mr. Neeraj Malik.
Absolutely, sir. Thank you. Thanks for giving me an opportunity. Hello and welcome everyone to the call. What a wonderful presentation, Mr. Rao. As always, you have been helping everyone here. So for those who don't know me, my name is Neeraj Malik. By profession, I'm an engineer working in aerospace industry. Now, let me share a quick story about me. It's been 20 years in the corporate world. And a few years back when someone showed this opportunity, 3 things just hit in my head. One, when someone said to me, hey, you can get paid on your own addiction. This is my addiction in my own hand. I'm pretty sure you all are having addictions as well. So if someone told me, when someone told me you can get paid on your own addiction, I was said, hang on. Yes, it's no brainer. Number two, when I saw a logo of Vodafone, which is a partner, channel partner of ACN, my research was over. Reason, Vodafone has got their own research team, their own legal departments. They must have done some research for ACN. So my research was over. I'm pretty sure my research cannot be more than Vodafone. That was second. And the third, when I saw the longevity of a business, when I saw the training and the support and the system, what I can get. And just because of this training, support, and the system, me and my wife, we are regional directors in the system, in the business. And close to, we personally, we acquired close to 165 customers. And as a team, we basically earn around 1,700 plus customers. And I owe this everything to a wonderful training, support, and the system of ACN. Back to you, Rao. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Neeraj. Thank you so much. Fantastic. Awesome. So just move on to another business owner from Sydney. That's Mr. Munish Soni. Munish, you there?
Yes, Rao. Good evening, everyone. My name is Munish Soni. By profession, I'm a business owner, traditional few of the business owners. And a few years back, and over the 4 years back, someone showed me the opportunity of ACN, and I thought it's another scam and all this stuff, and tell the people get out from my office. But I wasn't know that scam is still paying me every month, every week, when such a loving it. And just because of the system, it's not about the money sometimes, it's about the learning. Because of a system and the personal development I go through it, I'm able to handle of the biggest chain of income tax professional. I'm on top of that, the real estate, on top of that, my migration business, how to handle that many businesses all together, thanks to the ACN system. So just because of the system, I got over 375 business partners and more than 3,000 customers. Just happened, part-time business from last 4 years, still paying it. As long as I'm living, is gonna pay it. That's the business, I love it. And just thanks, Rao, that's all, over to you.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Fantastic. So, ladies and gentlemen, you actually heard from people from, all walks of life, people who are business owners and professionals, everyone. So we don't actually look at anyone's resumes or backgrounds or skill set to be part of ACN. So we provide everything for you. So we provide everything via Zoom because our business is 100% online. You can actually get all the information required and you can get trained. By the way, I just want to let you know one thing. Our training is absolutely free of cost. The more you learn, I promise you, the more you earn. Okay. You can plug in, you can learn as much as you can. I love the last saying, you're in business for yourself, but you never ever by yourself. And especially for the new people who are on the call, you could be thinking, well, I just want to know a little bit more about the company. Absolutely. So this is the timeline of ACN. Okay. So you can see there, we started our business back in 1993. We stood the test of time when the Y2K has happened. We stood the test of time when the GFC had happened. We also stood the test of time when the whole, pandemic, obviously, that's been going on. So for the last 27 years, we are operating in 27 countries. But for the next 27 years, we're going to expand our company into a lot of countries, 50 plus countries. Our focus right now is 2 continents. The first one is Asia. The other one is South America. Right now, we are in Japan. We are in South Korea. We're about to get into Indonesia, Singapore, Malaysia, Hong Kong, all the way up to, a small country called India, where I belong from, 1.3 billion people only, because it's all about vision. It's all about what we could do. If you're from India, you could see how big. It doesn't matter which country you're from, everyone can actually have a piece of that Asian market. And also we are participating in South American continent as well. Just look at some of the partners here. When I looked at ACN, I just want to know back then is, okay, how many companies actually ACN partnered with? Now, the good thing is when I seen this screen, my research was over. Why? Because more than 27 governments have actually looked at ACN and they have given the permission and authorization to run a business, number one. Number two, more than 100 blue chip companies, multi-billion-dollar companies already have corporate agreements with ACN, and we've been operating a business in 27 countries with more than 100 blue chip companies. So when I seen companies like Vodafone, companies like AT&T, companies like Korean Telecom, companies like British Telecom, Virgin Media, you can see some of those brands there. Okay. So the reason I'm sharing this with you is, as a company, our highest honor and our highest, I should say, user recognition is actually for our code of ethics and our integrity and the way we have been running a business for the last 27 years. So again, we've been affiliated by various government agencies. You want to see who is ACN, get on to some US federal agencies and see what governments are talking about, like Better Business Bureau. They gave us A+ rating for the integrity and the operations we've been doing as well. So based on the information I have shared with each and every one of you, okay, I want you guys to put in one of three categories. Now, category number one, you like the idea of generating income, you like the idea of working from home, great. The person who invited you, they will get in touch with you straight after this webinar. You could actually set up your online store, literally take 4 to 5 minutes, where you go, you get started and your business, and you can get the ball rolling for you. Now, category number two, you're interested, but you got some questions. Guess what? We love questions. We welcome questions. In fact, we want you to ask us questions. The person who invited you or the leader you're working with, they will help you answer the questions for you. Also, tomorrow morning at 10 a.m. Sydney time, you can come. You can see the entire Australia, operations, and you can see all the leaders from every single part of Australia. They're going to be on the Zoom call tomorrow morning, 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. Most of your questions you would have, like how the money work, how to build a team, everything, I promise you, they all will be covered. And by the way, it's free of cost. Just get in, ask the person for the details. They will give you more details so you can see as well. Now, category number three, you don't like the idea of working from home. Category number three, you don't like the idea of working from home or making some money. That's fine. We know that this business is not for everybody. If you don't want to make money, hey, how about saving some money? The person who invited you, they won't even mention to you. That would mean the world to them if you actually support them and become a customer. What we're going to do is we're going to do a small health check of your essential bills, and we help you put some money back in your pocket. This is what I understood. Every dollar saved is a dollar earned. Who would be happy to have some savings in the bank account? That's what we could do as well. We only do two things. We teach you and we help you how to make money or how to save money. So categorize yourself either box 1, 2, or 3, and we will definitely help you as well. So ladies and gentlemen, before I wrap up, I just want to say a couple of things, right? Now, times are tough right now. Things are happening. Things are not as good as what it was. So post-COVID times, everything like the economic challenges, health challenges, not just for Australia, but the entire world, they're going on right now. Okay. So now there are two types of people. Now in this crisis, this is the way I see. I see that every crisis do create an opportunity for each and every one of us. Because of this crisis, people can step out of the comfort zone, look at the goods rather than the bads, because we can't control what we can't control. I mean, can we all control what we can't control in terms of the spread or the vaccine or whatever it might be? We can't. But rather look at the flip side, look at the good side. Now, what I always tell people is make sure you see an opportunity in every single difficulty you go through, because that is the right way you can actually have successful life. That is the way an optimist thinks. That is the way you should lead your life. Because if you're optimistic about your future, if you're optimistic about your health, if you're optimistic about your family's future and financial future, I promise you the life is going to be great and things will automatically happen as well. So ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for your time and attention. We appreciate that you have logged in on a Friday night. Good luck with your decision. Please reach out to the person who invited you on the call. We can't wait to see you tomorrow at our training at 10 a.m. Good luck again. Please stay safe and look after yourself. And, God bless each and every one of you. And we can't wait to have you and lock arms with you, because our mission is one thing. Our mission is to touch people's hearts, change people's lives in this current climate, in these current times, because we have a blessing of ACN and we want to share this blessing with each and everybody. Again, thank you so much for your time and attention. Good luck and take care and have a great evening, and bye for now.
Thank you, Rahul.